हाय फ्रेंड्स, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं मेरे चैनल का नाम टेक्निकल नूर है। यहाँ पर मैं आपके लिए मुख्य किस्म के टोकन्स और वेबसाइट्स लेकर आती हूँ, जहाँ आप अपनी रकम को इन्वेस्ट करके बहुत सारा बेनिफिट हासिल कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए दोस्तों, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हमारी वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, मेरी वीडियोज़ को लाइक कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पर टिक कर दीजिए, ताकि फ्यूचर में आने वाली मेरी हर न्यू वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुँचे। तो दोस्तों, जो मैं आपके लिए वेबसाइट लेकर आई हूँ वो बहुत अमेजिंग वेबसाइट है, जिसका नाम है फ्लोकीयर.com। फ्लोकीयर टोकन, फ्लोकीयर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एड्रेस। यहाँ पर इन्हें हमें फ्लोकीयर का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एड्रेस दिया गया है। रिलीजिंग ऑन 17 जनवरी 2022 स्टेट एंड वी आर गोइंग टू लॉन्च ओवर ऑन गेम टोकन इंटरफेस एंड क्रिप्टो पेमेंट इंटरफेस API फुली इंटीग्रेटेबल पॉपुलर गेम डिसाइडेड बाय द कम्युनिटी बाय ऑन पैनकेक स्वैप। दोस्तों, हम इसे पैनकेक स्वैप पे बाय कर सकते हैं। फ्लोकीयर टोकन, फ्लोकीयर रिवॉर्ड्स 7% in USDT rewards. Passive incomes generated for the investors just by holding the token. Flokier is committed to various types of contributions, especially education for children who do not have resources. The best year for Floki is star yet to come star, and we are going to prove that initiatives in the pipeline. Game token interface, integrate crypto into game. Crypto payment interface, pay for anything using crypto via crypto payment interface. Floki Year, ready to invest in Floki Year token? Join our community today. Get your token now or let us know if you have any additional question. Buy on pancake swap or join telegram group. तो हम इसे pancake swap पे बाय कर सकते हैं और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप के साथ ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं। रोड मैप के 3 फेजेस हैं, फेज 1, फेज 2, फेज 3। फेज 1, 1000 होल्डर्स KYC, वेबसाइट लॉन्च, कोइन जीको लिस्टिंग, कोइन मार्केट कैप लिस्टिंग, मार्केटिंग कैपिजन, 5000 होल्डर्स, 5000 टेलीग्राम मेंबर्स, लिस्ट ऑन पैनकेक स्वैप। By the community, for the community, of the community. Phase 2, CEX listing, third party contract audit, 10,000 Telegram members, voting and community decisions. By the community, for the community, of the community. Phase 3, influencer marketing push, website redesign, 50,000 holders, 50,000 Telegram members. By the community, for the community, of the community. Exact dates and hours announced in the Telegram group. Tokenomics. USDT rewards automatic to your wallet 7%. Marketing 6%. Liquidity 2%. What is Floki? Floki is a reward 7% in USDT rewards, passive incomes generated for the investor just by holding the token. Floki here is committed to various types of contribution, especially education for the children who do not have resources. The best year for Floki is star yet to come star, and we are going to prove that. How do I buy Floki here on Trust Wallet? Make sure you have BNB Smart Chain coins. This is BEP20 in your wallet. Otherwise, convert first BNB to BNB Smart Chain coin in your wallet. If you don't have any BNB coin, you can buy BNB directly in Trust Wallet. Important. If you buy BNB, you have to make sure you convert it to Smart Chain BNB by clicking the more dots within the coin and swap to Smart Chain. If you buy Smart Chain BNB black icon, you are ready to connect your wallet. Go to Pancake Swap, click at the bottom of your smartphone on dApps, search for Pancake Swap, click on it. Note some devices won't allow you to access this site. You can use your computer to make this easier. Tip: you may need to remove the S in HTTPS. Click in the upper right corner on Connect Wallet. Make sure that the Smart Chain network at the top of the screen is enabled. You will see the icon for it. See your slippage 14%. Click on the gear icon for this. You will be charged a 14% buyer's fee as mentioned in the Floki Year tokenomics sections. Type in the first field the amount of BNB you want to swap. Select in the second field FLYT as the target currency. Note: if you do not find Floki here, you need to add the contract ID of Floki year manually into it and name it FLYTC Telegram for contract address CA. Hit the button to swap it. Confirm on the next screen until it is provided. Check the bscscan.com website about the success of your buy. Generally, at the end of this process, the BSC scan link to your trade will be show for a few seconds within your wallet. Click on it. Contact admin and friends or YouTube for assistance. How do I buy Floki Year token on MetaMask? Make sure you have BNB Smart Chain coin. This is BEP20 in your wallet. Otherwise, convert first BNB to BNB Smart Chain coin by the means of your choice and send them to your wallet. BEP20 to PEP20. Contact admin और YouTube for assistant. दोस्तों आगे आप खुद रीड आउट कर सकते हैं. What is slippage? Slippage is different than buy or sell tax. This is the amount of fee in percentage that you will allow when you are purchasing tokens. It is variable up to the amount you choose, i.e., if you choose 49%, the system will only use up to the amount you need. It may be quite less. Slippage is variable with how much volatility there is at any one time. So during a launch, there will be a lot of volatility in price due to buy pressure, which means the price is not likely to be purchased at the price you are seeing it slipping. Slippage is in your control and gives permissions to allow a certain percentage of variances to buy up the percentage you choose. Important, this is not this is on top of the buy sells taxes. Hint, not national advices. A higher slippage is needed during launch. What are the rewards for holding Floki token? Floki year contract is designed to allow 7% of all buy sells transactions to be rewards back to the holders of Floki year in the form of USDT. Make sure to add this contract address for USDT in your wallet of choice. There, दोस्तों हमें यहाँ पर एड्रेस दिया गया है. There will be small contract says that you can see if you follow all transactions. Don't worry, these are built into the contract. If you want to your reward in Floki year, reinvest your BUSD back into the Floki year upon receipt. डैशबोर्ड. दोस्तों हम डैशबोर्ड में अपना एड्रेस वॉलेट लिखेंगे और फिर हम व्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन इस पर क्लिक करेंगे. हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन दी जाएंगी. दोस्तों ये फ्लोकी ईयर के पार्टनर्स हैं. जॉइन टेलीग्राम कम्युनिटी. दोस्तों हमारी आज की वीडियो यहीं पर ख़त्म होती है.